So we need to build chatbot. First of all, we need to visit this website called NeWoaks.ai. So here I can build chatbot for our website, chatbot for lead generation, appointment book, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, for text, SMS, anything. So I like this website. You can see this website pricing. This is too much affordable price. So to build chatbot, first of all we need to visit. You need to create account. Then you create account. Then you can log in. Then you need to click my chatbot option. Here you can see I already created a chatbot. So I can show you from template. So I click on template. Here you can see some template that you can use for your business, website, anything for social media. You can choose and create. So I don't want to create. I create from manual. I can show you how can you create from manual. So I create new chatbot. Here you can see the chatbot option. Here you can see you can upload text, PDF, docs, anything to upload here. You can train your chatbot. So here you can paste text and to train. You can use website, your site map to train. So I use now crawl option too. So I can copy this website URL and crawl the link of this website. So I can copy the URL of NeWoaks.ai. I simply paste here and just click on fetch link. So the website is now fetching the link. To build chatbot, you can simply paste your own website. If you don't have any website, just paste your TXT file. You upload a PDF doc to train. You can also use ChatGPT to build it. So I like the sitemap is a submitter sitemap and enable AutoScience sitemap XML. So it can work when you update your content on website. So it can automatically update and train to our chatbot. So I like this feature. So you can add Q&A. So you simply need to type your question, what your prospect must asking, and you can simply add some basic questions. So I simply type who are you and just type answer of this. So I simply write assistance. You can add anything. You can what is the most repeated question, you just need to add. And now I can click on create chatbot. Now you can our chatbot is training now. So when it is 100% complete, our chatbot is successfully created. So build a chatbot is now very simple rather than previous. So our work is 50% done and now our chatbot is 50% created. Now we need to wait just a couple of minutes. So we need to add. I can't skip any code, any part, so you can understand fully. So we need to wait a couple of minutes. Now our work is simply done. Let's see and show you demo of our chatbot. So our work is done now. We need to patience. If your website is too big, it can take 5 to 10 minutes or later than long. This is only found 9 link. So it can train easily on 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes. Rather than now we can see about the chatbot is train. Now we can simply ask any question to get an answer from the chatbot. We simply type what is time now. So it can provide time. So you can see you can match time with my computer from answer. You can simply type how to build chatbot. Now we can give us answer. We can provide quality of data with chatbot. It can give answer of quality of answer. So we need to provide quality of data to get better answer. So you can see the answer. Now our work is done now. So we need to customize and integrate chatbot in this platform. So you can try in your way. So I can make a lot of videos you can use. So I now I can customize our chatbot. So I go on setting, and you can now I can rename our chatbot. What is the name? So I simply type new chatbot. You can just need what is the purpose. So here you can see what is the prompt we can give chatbot. So we simply type. We can use ChatGPT to generate it. So I don't use ChatGPT now. I simply fill for demo purpose to show you. So I simply write we are adjusting or AI assistant, that is great for me. You can what is the build for your purpose. You can use ChatGPT to generate a full prompt. You can add an error message. What is the model you can use? I like Cloud 3.7 Sonnet, but it is highly costly, so I don't use. I simply use this GPT 4.1 mini, or you can use GPT 4.5. Anything of you can use. DeepSeek is also low cost, so I use GPT only. You can maintain temperature for creative answer. So now I can click on AI action. So you if you are running any e-commerce website, anything that need to API to give fetch answer, so you can add. This is the great feature. I like that. If you are any e-commerce company, you can fetch data from your website, anything. Your CRM, you can just simply add this option. You need answer from anything from above. For current data, you can add. So now we can customize our chatbot. How can it look like? So we simply visit on chat interface. So this is the above message that you can show. What is the suggested message that I can show our prospect when he and she click in chatbot. So we can simply type, how can I help you, sir? So I simply type, how can I help you? You can type anything, or you can add multiple of this. Here you can see the bottom, or you can upload light color, choose any CS, shadow, anything. You can upload the icon. You can customize in your. If you try, you can understand better way. If you can't try, you can understand that much. So you just need to do the work. So you can paste your website link. So I simply click on you. Here you can see the social media link from the bottom of the chatbot. We simply need to just paste the link. It can automatically show in our chatbot, in our website chatbot. It can't show in our messenger, anything, WhatsApp. We can integrate. So we need to visit our security option. So we can add this for a civic website. We can, if anybody can copy, that website doesn't work. So we can limit 20 messages every 240 seconds. If we get more requests, this chatbot can't answer that. So this is the best option to protect spam. So now we need to visit domain option. So I simply click here. You can add your custom domain, and you need to update your CNAME record. So now we can build lead generation chatbots. First of all, we need to build. So first of all, we need to build this chatbot. First of all, visit lead option, then click title, then click overlaid pre-chat form. This form can show which chatbot ending question you can and the answer by respond. Here you can see the chatbot give us response, then below it can show the form. I can like this. So we can select display for every question. We want to click first name, last name, email, phone number, and not message. Then we can save it. So first, then we can visit appointment. If we need to book an appointment, we need to connect Calendly, any Google Calendar. So today's topic is only for lead. You just need to set up this thing that much. You can try in your chatbot if this work not work. You You just need a prompt to ask